Moose. Hey, Moose, don't hold on to her harness like that. There, I hear some tree frogs. Yeah, he is. He'll regret it though. She beats up on him sometimes. Hey, oh man, he got her. You guys are playing rough. She did slip right out of that harness a couple days ago. All right, settle down. Settle down. You'll get bit. You guys hear those tree frogs? Here they come. Hey, River Raven, how you doing? We just started. Hey, Moose, settle down, buddy. They're being kind of feisty right now. Hey, hey. She'll bite you. Mm. Ugh, making me laugh. Hey, 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 leave her harness alone. No biting. No biting. Moose, hey, drop it. Leave her harness alone. Hey, no biting. I'm gonna block you. I'm blocking you. You're being a pest. Hey. She has the higher ground, Moose. Oh. Whoa, careful, Raven. Who's taking the wood box? Hey, leave her harness alone. Jeez, they are wound up right now. Yeah, he is. Hey. Hey, buddy. All right. Moose, leave her alone.